In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Target job online. To do this, just open up a browser and search for Target Careers. Then go and click on the link that says Jobs at Target. And now here, what you can do first is enter a job title, skill, or keyword, but I recommend leaving that open. And then here, just enter your location and click Search Jobs. Then from there it will show a bunch of jobs, and now here you can add more filters such as the job category, job area, type, schedule, pay type, company, and more. So just select whichever one you want to do. For example, a guest advocate, so cashier or front of store attendant / card attendant. Then click on learn more, and then you will see the hourly pay and everything else that you want to know before applying. And then to apply, just go and click on apply. That will redirect you. From here you can either autofill with your resume or you can apply for the job manually. And then from here just go through all of these steps, and after doing that you will successfully have applied for the Target job online. So now you know how to apply for a job at Target. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.